The Paradis Files.
She was a composer and a virtuosic musician. She actually lost her sight as a child. Her family want to heal her.
I play the mother, Baroness. She has great issues with Teresa. Angry, envious.
She's kind of like an all-knowing, mischievous maid, not impressed with Teresa's parents.
Salieri, who is the music teacher, is a very, very bad and untrustworthy man.
We have a chorus in this opera, sneakily audio describing the whole thing to the audience. We also have some interpreters creating the story with us and who are going to be part of the action. People should come and see this opera because it has something to say. It's very important. It's unique, it's powerful, and I think the music is really beautiful.
The Paradis Files, touring spring 2022.